the washing machine, fully automatic. Now I am having the problem of water draining itself. This is the tub on the ground. Now this is the drain where we are suspecting the problem may be, and this is the clip. Now open the clip, press it like this and remove this. After removing, just gently turn it. Now we can check, see, some metal piece is there. Now we will check further what are all the things remaining in the drain. Let's see. Some metal pieces also are there. This is the point. So when you lift it, you will find the clearance between the rubber drain and seating of the drain area. If you have any doubt, still something is pending inside the drain area, now put your hand like this and pull it like this. If you pull it like this, see, it is a spring action there. What happens? The seating area of the drain, where the rubber seating is taking place, it will create a clearance between the seating and the rubber, so you can find further if there is something. So we will be able to clean the all seating area of the drain. Still anything pending. Now I pulled it, so the clearance, and I checked it, I found something. So this is also still pending inside, so we removed it. I will put water continuously and I will drain it manually, whether the area is fully cleared or not, and the valve, the drain valve, is perfectly holding or not. I will show you how to do it manually. This is the final checking for the job we carried out, whether it is successful or not. For better checking, open this. Now we will fill the water, whether it is holding or not. If any dust accumulated on top of it, it will be flushed through. Before filling water, insert the drain pipe. Fully and clamp it properly. We will fill the water, whether the drain valve is holding or not. And we can check if there is any leakage from the drain. And there is no leakage from the drain. Now it's perfectly okay. Let us check the tub. Now the level in the tub is increasing. That means the drain valve is accurately holding the pressure. Once the water is fully filled in the tub, now earlier I have shown how to operate the drain valve manually. Put the hand near the drain valve, manually operating lever, and press it. When you press it, whatever the dirt inside the tub, it will be flushed away. Now I am pulling it. Now the water is coming. Now you can closely monitor the remaining dust is coming out. Whatever the thing is remained in the tub and the areas of the wall seating, that will totally come out, and your tub will totally be cleaned.